more of like an introductory kind of lesson into storyboarding. We're going to take it really easy. I'm not going to talk about some things, and we're just going to start by making a new view, right? And the thing that we're going to want to do is we're going to come down here to our storyboard and create a new view in this area. And how I'm going to do that is I'm on my storyboard. I'm going to make all these other non-essential windows go away so that we can kind of concentrate on what we're doing. And then I'm going to hit this plus sign up here, and it's going to give me all kinds of options, right? And I'm going to scroll down till I see a view controller. And I'm going to click and drag this view controller in here like this, right? So that's great. I've got a new view controller. And how this is going to work, what kind of view controller this is going to be, is it's going to be a credits view controller because I want to show people the credits of what I'm doing here in this app, and it's also super easy to do. So that's where we're going to start off. So you saw how to create a view controller. Same way we did that, we're going to create a label. So we're going to come up here to this plus sign, and I'm just going to type in label and drop and drag it over here, right? Very simple stuff. So I want to make some changes to this label. What I'm going to do is open up my right pane, and then it's going to show me all different kinds of stuff I could do to this label. So I'm going to say credits. I'm going to actually take a look at this view back here. I don't like it white. I want it black because I'm cool. I can't see credits anymore. I'm going to turn that white. So we're going to kind of go backwards here. And then I'm also going to make this like bigger because credits should be bigger. So I'm going to say this is, what's a good size for a kind of a title? 50. 50 is good. Credits. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. So we've done that. Now I'm going to make a few more labels. I'm going to click here. I'm going to drag down. And I'm going to say the developer. It's me. But I want this at, can I say 25? No, I got to click the little button here. Say 25 down here. Hit done. Good to go. So I'm going to have one thing that says developer. And then I'm going to hit the Alt button. And I'm going to click and drag and create a new copy over here. Right, and I'm going to say Rim is my developer. And then I'm going to select both of these, and I'm going to drag them down again. So I'm just copying and pasting here, really. And I'm going to say who did the art for me, and who did the art in this game work. If you like it so much, it was OpenAI has done the artwork for me. Big thanks to them. Without you, I'd have no art. And let's just try to do this one more time. We're going to create another person. We're gonna think my tester's name is Dan. Thanks, Dan. You're awesome. So I've got this view here. Does it work or not? I don't know. I can't even get to this right now, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a button on our home screen, or our initial view controller here. And how am I going to do that? I'm going to use the plus sign button again, and I'm going to say a button. I can use all different kinds of buttons, but I'm going to put a button right here. And again, I'm going to edit this a little bit. So the very first thing I'm going to do is change this to say credits. And I'm going to give it a background so it doesn't look, so you can see it. Yeah, good enough, good enough. Doesn't matter for the moment because we're awesome. And then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to connect this view controller down here to this view controller up here, right? How are we going to do that? There's a lot of different ways, but we're going to make it really easy. We're going to click on this button, hit the control button, and then drag down to this view controller. And I'm going to hit show. So when you click this button, credits, You're going to show me this view controller down here. This view controller that has no other code into it we've just built, right? So let's kind of hit the play button and see what that's going to look like.